Hi, I'm Tony Stanky. Today we'll be talking about setting up layers in the Pro 700. For products to be mapped or controlled by the planner operating system, they need to be assigned to a layer. You could start off by going into work condition and layer. When you have a work condition set up, you'll see layer number 1 right now is set up for no control. What we want to go ahead and do, you select that. In layer number 1, I'm going to have seed left side of the planner, so seed left on it. And then the product that I'm going to apply is going to be my corn variety ABC. So that's assigned to layer number 1, the left side of the planner. Layer number 2, we will do seed right, and we'll assign a different product to seed right. That'll be our corn variety 123. For our third product, we also are doing liquid. So layer 3, we'll put the liquid on layer 3, and the product that we will assign to it is our 28 product. For more information on setting up layers on the Pro 700, please refer to your operator's manual or contact your Case IH dealer.